My name is Christian Schmitz. I'm the CEO of Monkey Bread Software, and we are famous for our MBS plugin. I'd love to come to Full Access to meet the community, tell people about the plugin, and see what people need so I get new ideas for new plugin functions. Since we have thousands of plugin functions, you may imagine that over the last 20 years, a lot of people brought me a lot of ideas. And of course, I want to learn the new things in the FileMaker world. Even after 20 years, there's always a new trick I can learn, a new technique, or to see what people do as best practice. So I look forward to see California again, see a little bit of the, of Apple history, of the Silicon Valley, and meet all the people I know from the forums on the website.
Hi, I'm Ivan Granger. I've been working as a FileMaker developer for more than 30 years now. I'm an application developer with Codance, which is a full city company. If you're familiar with Codance and Full City, you'll know that we recently merged. We did that because it really allowed us to combine our resources and areas of expertise. Um, which we felt allowed us to bring even greater value to our clients in this rapidly changing environment. And it's a great group of people. And we're really proud to be able to sponsor the Full Access Unconference this year. One of the reasons we wanted to do that is we really want to encourage conversations within the FileMaker community, conversations about all of the new developments happening in our workspace, especially around AI. What that means for us as developers, for FileMaker focused businesses, and what are the best practices and best techniques and the most effective ways to share our expanding knowledge to strengthen us as a community and also to strengthen FileMaker as a platform moving forward. And I'll be there at Full Access myself. I'll be sitting in on some of the roundtable conversations, and I'll be presenting on ways to work with AI. Not so much AI using AI to create front end overlays for our FileMaker databases, but more specifically, innovative ways to utilize AI to really create and troubleshoot our FileMaker solutions directly. So I'm looking forward to seeing you at Full Access. Come on up and say hello, chat with me, bring your ideas, and maybe you'll want to check out one of my presentations. Looking forward to seeing you this August.
Well, hello. This is David Simpson with .com Solutions Incorporated. I'm basically, the developer of FM Pro Migrator. I'm looking for, enjoying visiting the conference again, visiting with customers, visiting with attendees, people I've met before, new people I've not met before, learning about new versions of FileMaker and the features that Claris is getting ready to introduce, which will have been introduced by the time of the conference. And what I intend to do is also show a new version of FM Pro Migrator with features that customers have never seen before. And this is one of the things that I'll be showing at my booth, along with enjoying seeing the other vendors that are there. We've got a lot of great vendors, and I'm looking forward to meeting them as well. So the feature that I'm going to be showing to attendees at Full Access is a brand new feature. You might recall that over the last couple of years, I've been showing an automated code conversion feature, which does a nearly 100% code conversion to over 50 different programming languages, including into FileMaker Pro. So for instance, we might be able to we might be able to see the conversion of Visual Fox Pro into FileMaker. We might see as well the conversion of Visual Basic from Microsoft Access into FileMaker Pro. Could even show the conversion of COBOL into FileMaker Pro. I mean, you can basically do a conversion of a piece of code and then paste it directly into FileMaker. That's what I've been showing over the last couple of years. What's going to be new this year is I'll be showing the layout conversion workbench feature, which is a brand new feature customers been asking for essentially the 23 years that I've been developing FM Pro Migrator. And with this feature, I basically can take a layout and I can convert it to any one of a variety of different development environments. You can see I just click the button here, convert it into .NET XAML. Over here on the left-hand side, I have a FileMaker layout, and on the right-hand side, I have the converted FileMaker layout that's running in Visual Studio. You can see the images are in the right place, the text labels are in the right place, the fields are in the correct place. And that's the feature that customers have really wanted for many, many years. And so it will be possible for me to deliver this functionality in a lot less time with a lot better quality than I've ever been able to do in the past. So that's what I'm going to be showing here at the conference at Full Access. So I'm looking forward to showing this to the attendees and getting feedback and seeing what additional features customers might want. Look forward to everyone joining us at Full Access this year. Once again, this is David Simpson with .com Solutions Incorporated. See you there.
I'm John Newhoff, president, owner, whatever you want to call it, of Portage Bay Solutions. And we're sponsoring Full Access here. I'm excited to be down there. I have family in the Bay Area. I grew up in the North Bay and enjoy getting down there when I can. I'll be combining the trip with a little bit of visiting with family in Marin County. And half my family went to Jesuit schools, so hanging out at the Jesuit Retreat Center will be is always entertaining. It's a nice facility, and I enjoy walking around the grounds there. Probably my biggest reason for wanting to go and for sponsoring it is wanting the event to happen. That's the sponsorship angle. And then, the conferences like this are a great opportunity to meet people, hang out with other FileMaker developers, learn new things. I find often that the tidbits of knowledge I get or insights about how I want to run my business come from chatting with people in between sessions or offhand comments by presenters, and sometimes not even the topic they're presenting on. So being there in person and having a chance to talk to everybody is something I greatly enjoy. So I'm looking forward to flying down and spending a few days there. I think we're bringing 2 people this year. And last year we did a couple of presentations. I'm not sure yet if we'll do one this year. I think I'm involved in a board panel discussion. Last year I did a presentation on log analysis using AI tools, and I might show that. I've been continuing to work on that, and I might show where I'm at with that. So yeah, I look forward to seeing everybody there. See you in August.